So now I got those boards in place. I cut out that masonite, and then I textured the boards with wood filler to give it a rougher texture to match the masonite there. And this board on the right there, that was painted when I applied the wood filler, and we had a lot of rain, and a big chunk of that came off, so it didn't bond. So I just sanded it real well with coarse sandpaper, reapplied the wood filler, and I think it's got a good bond now. And this kind of reddish pink stuff, that's Bondo, where I've patched up places where that masonite crap is falling apart. There's some there, there's some over there, yeah, right over there. I need to patch that up. Bondo. I had to remove one of these panels last year when I was extending a pony wall. I had to get up in that gap there of the ceiling. So once I took this out, then I stuffed insulation there, so I got to patch it up basically. And here I had two 2x4s right there. You can see them there, and one there. And because of the width of this, I was able to get a drill in there, so I attached those with screws. There's one there, and there's one there. I was able to get screws in there to attach those to the side boards, the rafters there. Here's another board I got to replace there, and again I attached two little 2x4s. And here, because the width is so narrow, it's really hard to get a drill in there because of these rafters that come out there, right there. So I use construction adhesive, put those two guys in there, and that should be good enough to secure those, and I'll put a board in there to patch that up. Here's a close-up of that masonite. You see it's got a rough texture, so if I just painted a board it would have been a noticeable patch. But here's that wood filler, and yeah, I got a little bit of rough texture there, so it'll look somewhat similar to the masonite that I'm replacing.